Good morning, students. Today we discuss about that disease. A disease is the functional or physical change from a normal state that affect the health of our person. Health of a person by causing disability or discomfort. So the healthy person affected to that disease. Okay, so that person feel that uncomfortable. Okay, yeah, uncomfortable, it's a disability also. Okay, the following are the reason that could lead to development of disease in individual. Okay, it's a development disease in individual. Okay, so next you see infection caused by the disease causing microbes. Okay, second one, lack of balanced diet. So how it's affected disease our health means lack of the balanced diet, poor lifestyle and unhealthy habits, malfunctioning of one or more body parts or organs, these and all. So nowadays there are two kinds of sickness there. One is a communicable, another one is a non-communicable. Okay, you see that the prevention and treatment of sickness can be considered in the two groups. For the better understanding, they are communicable and non-communicable disease. What this means that communicable disease, you see, communicable disease are those that spread from one person to another. One person affected that is some of the disease. Example of the cold. So that near that person you are sitting or talking and playing means that person is seasoning the nose something here means what happened that the sparkle some of the liquids that are spreading to air. Okay, so that times that and all we are any one germs you are going to your nose or mouth through your nose or mouth you are going, you also affected that. Okay, so this is one person. Which person affected, that person spread to the another person. This is a communicable disease. Okay, so example, disease spread through the contaminated air, water, food, air vectors. Okay, these and also. Okay, so next you see that communicable next disease caused by the bacteria. So next one you see that disease caused by the bacteria. So what are the in the lesson you will study about the some communicable disease like tuberculosis, cholera and typhoid. The communicable disease tuberculosis, cholera and typhoid, which are caused by the microbes. This and all spread the microbes and spread through air, water and some other organisms also. So tuberculosis means short form you are telling to TB. TB is caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis and spreads from one person to another person through air by spitting and prolonged contact with the sharing material of the patient. The symptoms are fever, weight loss, chronic cough, bleeding, splitting and difficult in breathing. So this is the symptoms of the tuberculosis. Okay, next one you see how to it's a prevent. So first you see first one BCG vaccinations. You are put BCG vaccination. Next giving the special attention to the patient. Regular medicines like DOT. Okay. So next one cholera. The cholera is caused by the Vibrio cholera and spread through the consumption contaminated food or water. So consumption food and water. Food and water. Use that. The symptoms of the cholera is vomiting, severe diarrhea and the cramps in legs. Okay, how to it's a prevent. You see the good hygienic practice like washing hands before eating. So washing hands before and after eating. Avoid eating uncovered food from street vendors. Drinking boiled water, getting vaccination against cholera. Okay, so next you see that typhoid. So typhoid is caused by the Salmonella typhi and the spreads by contaminated food and water. Is also that contaminated cholera, typhoid also contaminated of food and water. The symptoms of anorexia, headache, rashes on the abdomen, dysentery and high fever of 104 Fahrenheit. Okay, so next you see that prevention and treatment. Drinking boiled clean water, proper disposal of the sewage and vaccination. Disease caused by the virus. The viral disease or the extremely widespread infections caused by many types of virus. In this lessons you will learn about some disease caused by virus like hepatitis, chickenpox and rabies. Okay, so next first you see that hepatitis. The hepatitis is one of the most dangerous in the fatal disease caused by hepatitis virus A, B, C, D, E. Its mode of transmission is contaminated water, sharing of needles and blood transfusion. The symptoms of the hepatitis is a loss of appetite. Okay, so vomiting, eyes and urine. It's a yellow color. Eyes also yellow color. The urine also yellow in color. Okay, so next prevention and treatment. Drinking boiled water, proper cleaning of hands. Okay, next one you see that chicken pox. You see the chicken pox also known as the varicella. It's a highly contagious infection caused by the varicella zoster virus. This disease spreads through air and contact with the infected person. Its symptoms is appearance of rashes on the whole body, fever, headache and tiredness also. Right. So next it's a prevention and treatment. The chicken pox vaccine is the best way to prevent the chicken pox. Spread attention should be given to infected person. Rabies. The rabies is a fatal disease with the treatment by the bite of inspector dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. The virus present in the saliva of the dog enters the brain via nerves. So the bite, this is what happened that few after the days, what happened, it's affected our brain. The symptoms of the rabies is a hydrophobia. Okay, the fever for 2 to 12 weeks and exaggerations in the behavior. So prevention and treatment. It's a early stages rabies very difficult to detect. So we have to find out the early stage. It's a very difficult. After an animal is a bit bitten, it's usually take to the 12 weeks to show any symptoms and it may take as long as 2 years also. Fatality can be prevented by the timely vaccination before the onset of the symptoms. Okay children, I hope you are understood. So next class we see that. Thank you children.